Alright, we're on our way right now. She still doesn't know. She doesn't know what it is at all. Had to try and one-up myself from last year. A lot of you know what we did last year. Hot air balloon. I'm kind of nervous. It's not the best weather. Alright. We're getting close. So you got a blindfold. Here, take that blindfold. You gotta put it on. They'll be okay. I even ripped the blindfold to make it loose. Can you see anything?
No. I'm not gonna rest it on my eyes though.
No peeking. I feel like you can look out through your nose. You promise?
Yeah, my eyes are closed.
Okay.
I don't want to open up. You should really stop with this blindfolding-ish.
Makes it more fun.
I don't even like surprises.
I do. We got like 2 minutes.
I have to wear this for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
You can tell me now.
Why would I tell her now?
I'm really nervous.
You are really nervous?
Mm-hmm.
Right now?
Yeah.
Why? What do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know.
Alright, I'll unbuckle you. Okay. Step out.
In my eyes?
No.
I don't even know where to go.
Here, grab my hand.
I don't like this.
Just stay looking down because I feel like you could pee.
My eyes are already closed.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna put these in your pocket. I guess the noises are maybe giving it away a little bit. It's a NASCAR. Keep it on. Okay. Grab my hand. Just let it be on your lashes. Look down. Come step up right next to me. There's a step. Step up.
Okay, I'm not going any further.
No, you have to. Okay, we'll get to the sidewalk right here. Perfect. Okay, now we're on the sidewalk. It's
Take it off.
Nope, not yet. Just hold on.
Now?
Not quite. Step this way a bit. Okay, we're going through a gate. You're good? Okay, keep going. You gotta step down, step down. Boom. Alright, Alright. Ready? Hold the flowers right here. Ready? You want me to take it off? 3, 2.
Shut up.
And Pilot
Hi.
Mike.
Hi.
How you doing? Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey.
This is Mike. He's the pilot. He put it together for us.
Wow.
So we're playing Sky Harbor. So we see downtown Phoenix, and we'll go into Scottsdale, and then loop it on back into here. So we're both playing, just seeing the city.
This is our plane. Just kidding. Can that thing fly even?
No, that thing is beat.
Wow, no TSA even.
No TSA. All right, so you're gonna be in the back because we're in a light airplane. The loading is a little different. Drew's gonna be up front because he's heavier. And then, yeah, just have you climb it. You can use this step right here. Kaitlyn, Drew has been planning this out for probably over a month.
How you feel back there?
Good.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
He didn't kill us.
No, not this time.
It's so fun, so cool. What do you think?
So fun.
Kind of like a hot air balloon, but better. You can see so much more.
Better than hot air balloon.
Yeah, it was so sick. Thanks so much, bro.
Of course.
Well, what'd you think of your surprise?
It was very good.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Good. Yeah, so originally we were supposed to be going up to Sedona, and we were gonna land there and eat,
Oh,
and
that would've been fun.
then fly back. But the weather in Sedona was terrible. It was super windy, so it would have been pretty dangerous, Mike said. And I didn't want to be dangerous at all, so I was like, well, let's get up in the air at least, and we can just fly around and still see all the Phoenix area, kinda.
Yeah.
So
It was fun.
maybe another day in the summer when it's a little bit nicer weather. No,
Yeah.
So one day we can do it again. But we like it
Yeah.
still.
Thank you.
Literally last night, on my way over, went to Trader Joe's, got these roses.
He
Then-
came in my apartment and was like, I need your keys, I'll be right back. And I was like, huh?
Went, got a bunch of vases and water, put the roses in her car, put the roses in the water, hid them in her car.
That's why there was water behind my car this morning?
Yeah. Got you some pink ones.
Red light.
Of course, the classic Valentine's red ones. Just some kind of yellow ones. The shoes. Anyone can wait to see her wearing the shoes. With the purse. Wow. Look at that hot lady.